name is Shelly. I am the Youth Program Specialist for the City of Greensboro in Parks and Recreation. Today I'm going to teach you how to make slime, and hopefully you can use these at-home ingredients to make slime with your family and friends. Alright, so our ingredients include a half a cup of water, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of contact solution, some food coloring, and a half a cup of glue. You can use clear glue if you prefer a clear slime, or you can use just plain white school glue, which is what I have here, if you want a more solid color slime. So our first step is to combine our first 3 ingredients, which is glue. I'm going to pour that into our bucket with our big bowl. So we have put our glue in, and now it's time for our half cup of water. Add that in there, and then our 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and then we're gonna stir this up. So at this point, we can go ahead and add in our food coloring. I chose blue today. And now I've got a tablespoon of contact solution, and I'm gonna go ahead and add that into my bowl. Just remember, you have to keep stirring and keep stirring, and then eventually you'll start to knead it. And the more you stir it, the thicker and less sticky it gets. Don't add too much contact solution, because as it sits longer, then it'll just be harder to stretch out. Alright, so now I'm gonna start kneading it. I think it's kind of getting in a good consistency where I can start kneading it. So to kind of keep my fingers a little less sticky, I'm just gonna put a little bit of contact solution on my fingers. So glue is made up of long strands of polymers. So polymers are many small molecules made up of smaller molecules that layer together in repeating patterns. If we want to think about it in terms of a song, we all know the song, "This is the song that never ends. Yes, it goes on and on, my friends." So that song, in terms of words, is a great example of a polymer, because it's one song made up of many words in a repeating pattern, much like glue. When you're doing this project, you want to find contact solution that has boric acid listed in the ingredients. I have used the Equate brand. Also the Up and Up brand from Target does really good. But just keep in mind that tomorrow this will be even more less sticky and a little hard. It'll still be very malleable. If you and your family decide to make slime at home, we would love it if you would share that on our Parks and Recreation social media pages so we can see what you did.